Gotta free myself from you. What am I supposed